Driving in a hot car means your AC needs attention. Start by setting the AC to its coldest setting. Feel for cool air from the vents. If it's warm, your AC is struggling. Check refrigerant levels and the compressor. Diagnose the issue to enjoy a cool ride again. We often focus on the mechanics of the AC system, but a simple cabin air filter can significantly impact its performance. Think of it as the lungs of your car's air conditioning. A dirty cabin air filter restricts airflow, making your AC unit work harder and potentially reducing its efficiency. Thankfully, checking and replacing the cabin air filter is a task most car owners can handle. Start by locating the filter housing, often found behind the glove compartment or under the dashboard. Consult your car's owner's manual for the precise location. Once you've found it, open the housing and carefully remove the filter. Now hold the old filter up to a light source. Can you see light passing through it easily? Or is it clogged with dirt, dust, and debris? If it looks more like the latter, it's time for a replacement. Replacing the filter is as easy as inserting a new one, ensuring it's positioned correctly in the housing. You'll be amazed at the difference a new cabin air filter can make. Cooler air and a fresher smelling cabin. Refrigerant is the lifeblood of your car's AC system, circulating through the system and absorbing heat to produce that cool air you crave. If your system is low on refrigerant, it won't be able to cool effectively. Checking and refilling your car's refrigerant might sound intimidating, but with the right tools and precautions, it's a manageable DIY task. You'll need an AC recharge kit, which you can find at most auto parts stores. These kits come with easy-to-follow instructions and everything you need to get the job done. Before you begin, remember that refrigerant is under pressure, so it's crucial to wear safety glasses and gloves to protect yourself. Locate the low-pressure service port on your car's AC system, usually marked with an L. Attach the recharge kit's gauge to this port and check the pressure reading. Compare this reading to the recommended pressure range specified in your car's owner's manual. If the pressure is low, it's time to add refrigerant. Follow the instructions provided with your recharge kit carefully. Overcharging the system can damage it, so add refrigerant gradually and check the pressure regularly. Section 4. Powering the chill, inspecting the AC compressor and electrical connections. We've tackled the coolant, but what about the heart of the system, the AC compressor? This hard-working component is responsible for compressing and circulating the refrigerant, creating the cooling effect. If your compressor isn't engaging or is making unusual noises, it's time to investigate. Start by visually inspecting the compressor for any signs of damage, such as cracks, leaks, or loose belts. If everything looks good visually, the problem could lie in the electrical connections. The AC compressor relies on electrical signals to function correctly, and a faulty connection can prevent it from engaging. Check the fuses related to your AC system, which are usually located in the fuse box under the dashboard or under the hood. A blown fuse will need to be replaced with a new one of the same amperage. Next, examine the wiring and connectors around the compressor for any signs of damage, corrosion, or loose connections. If you discover a blown fuse or damaged wiring, replacing them might be the solution to getting your AC compressor back up and running. However, if you're uncomfortable working with electrical components, it's best to consult a qualified mechanic. Section 5. Unblocking the breeze. Finding and fixing leaks and blockages. Even if your AC system has enough refrigerant and a functioning compressor, leaks or blockages can still hinder its performance. Think of it like a garden hose. A kink or hole will prevent water from flowing freely. Refrigerant leaks are a common culprit behind AC woes. These leaks can occur in the hoses, connections, or even within the components themselves. To find leaks, you can use a leak detection kit available at most auto parts stores. These kits usually contain a UV dye that you add to the refrigerant system. Once the dye circulates, you can use a UV light to pinpoint the source of any leaks. Another issue could be blockages in the AC condenser, which sits in front of your car's radiator. Debris like leaves, dirt, and insects can accumulate on the condenser fins, restricting airflow and reducing cooling efficiency. Carefully clean the condenser fins using a soft brush or compressed air, removing any obstructions. By addressing leaks and blockages, you'll ensure that refrigerant flows freely and that your AC system can operate at peak performance.